how to use two accounts in WhatsApp in iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to use multiple accounts on WhatsApp in your iPhone. Alright, so let's begin. So first open up WhatsApp, go to your settings and then go to account, and then there should be a feature right here that will allow you to have multiple accounts. But if there is still no feature, don't worry, I have an alternative on how to do that. But first you can start by updating your WhatsApp. But if your WhatsApp is up to date and there is still no setting right there, there is still an alternative. So what you want to do is open up the App Store and then search up for WhatsApp Business, click on that and then just install it. And then from here you can start using another WhatsApp regular account. You don't need like anything business related to use this. So you can use another WhatsApp account in this app. So that's basically how you can use two accounts in WhatsApp in iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.